take a look at what we have here. So we want an expression for this tangent of 2 times the angle whose cosine is 3 over x. Okay, with trigonometry, it's usually useful to look at a triangle. So let's look at this triangle with the angle that has a cosine of 3 over x. Okay. So the adjacent is 3, the hypotenuse is x. With Pythagoras, we can find an expression for the opposite. And let's just think a little bit about, we're talking about the tangent now of the 2 times this angle. All right. So there are some limitations on x. One is that x cannot be less than 3, right? The hypotenuse can't be less than one of the legs. And then we can see it here in the square root too. If x is less than 3, then we have a negative in the square root. The other thing is that for pi over 2, the tangent is undefined. So if the angle, because we're looking at 2 times the angle, right? If the angle is pi over 4, 2 times that is pi over 2, and that will be undefined. Okay, so we'll see a little more clearly at the end what the exceptions are for x. Okay, so we're looking at the tangent of 2 times this angle. I always translate this in my head as the angle whose cosine is 3 over x. This is an angle. So we're talking about 2 times an angle, so we're going to use the double angle formula for the tangent. Looks like that. And we can get the tangent of that angle with the opposite over the adjacent. So we substitute in the tangent there. Here's the tangent of the angle, and here's the tangent squared. And then we'll do some simplifying. You should do this on paper and just check my work here. Squared that bracket in the denominator. Now I want to combine the denominator under 1. Denominator there over 9. All right, then we're going to multiply by 9. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 9. And we have that. In the numerator now, 18 over 3 is 6. And I think that's about as far as we want to go. All right, so there's the expression here. And x must be greater than or equal to 3. Okay. And also, x cannot be the square root of 18, because that would give us 0 in the denominator here. That's 3, the square root of 2. That's when this angle is pi over 4, right? So those are the 2 limitations on x. X must be greater than or equal to 3. Cannot be equal to square root of 3. It's 3 times square root of 2. Okay. I hope that helped.